How to color grade your video in VN Video Editor. Now in order to do this, just simply open your VN and after that just simply create a new project or open an existing project if you have one. After that, you will get to see this filter button directly into the home page. Just simply tap to filter and after tapping in there, you will get this adjust button into other side. Now from the adjust section, you can easily color grade your video by changing the exposure, contrast, brightness, saturation, vibrance and etc. Just simply select such option as HSL where you can change the hue, saturation and lightness, which is other word for brightness. It will help a lot into your color grading. You can change colors for all of these available colors in here. You can change the vibrance from this section. If you want to make the video more vibrant, you can increase the vibrance, or if you want it less, simply decrease. Or you can do the same thing with the temperature. You can increase the temperature and make it look warm, and you can decrease the temperature and make it look like cold. You can also do experiments with saturation. Just simply edit all of the colors as you want in your video. So this is how you do color grading in VN Video Editor. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.